Hi everyone. So today I have sort of an unboxing. Erica from EclectiQuas sent me a bunch of her pieces and they're very interesting. She did send me this little description of what she does. She basically makes jewelry from broken china. So she's putting these pieces to good use. You can order custom items from her if you have a plate. You can send them to her and she can make something for you. All of the jewelry is one of a kind or limited production because they are working with limited pieces. But when you buy some of her jewelry, and I'll show you this, these are earrings, and see the pattern on here comes from this plate. So she'll send you a picture of the plate that it came from or the china that it came from, and then you can keep that, and there are care instructions that go with everything. This is just a really nice idea for a gift. And let me take some of these out to show you. These are some earrings. She sent me a lot of pieces that are ready to ship. She makes things and sends them out. You don't have to send her your china. You can just buy something that's pre-made. And I am going to send all of these back to her. So if you see anything that you like in this video, contact her and say, I would like this piece when you get them back. And she might have these in stock to send more of, but it is limited production. So you have to buy them. Like I said, with any of these things that I'm showing in the Artisan videos, buy them if you like them and you see them, because a lot of these things are only, there's one of a kind because they run out of plates. I mean, you can only make a certain number of earrings from one plate. So you can get earrings, you can get pendants. She uses high quality jewels and Swarovski crystals and real pearls and that kind of thing to make the embellishments. I'm reading from this list that she sent me. She uses 925 sterling silver settings, chains, findings, or gold-plated 925 sterling silver settings. She has free shipping on orders over 150 and $3.95 shipping for a limited time now. So after this video goes up, I'm not sure how long that's going to last. She does international shipping through Etsy, not through her website. So you can go to Etsy and get that. I would, honestly, if you see pieces that you like, and it's the kind of thing where you do need to buy them. Don't wait, because these are one of a kind or limited production. Look how pretty that is. That's such a cute idea, and it comes from this plate. See, and this is the fun part, is that she'll send you the picture of the plate that it came from so that you can kind of visualize where it came from. This one has blue roses. She makes rings. This is a little adjustable band ring. And like I said, she does custom orders. So if this is something that you have your grandmother's china and you're never using it, take one of the plates and send it to her and she can work with you, get the production done. She is making all of this by hand, but they're really pretty. Look at that. And this is like a really unique gift to give to someone, especially at Christmas when everybody's getting stuff from the mass market retailers. You can give something that's really special. And speaking of Christmas, I believe she said that this is a spode plate. It's one of those Christmas pattern plates. And here is the picture that it came from. This says that this is a Lenox. This is a Lenox holiday plate. So she has a lot of different patterns, and you should go to her website and check it out. I'll put all the contact information and the website in the link in the description of this video. Give this video a thumbs up. And like I said, I'm going to send all these back to her. So if you liked anything in this video, just send her a message on her website. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will talk to you later.